Hello, welcome to another Microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are going to create a simple counter. So as you can see, when I tap on the top of my Microbit here, it is adding a number. So in coding, these are called variables. If you have a number that the Microbit is remembering, and you can add to or remove from that number by doing things within the code. So in this case, when I press the top button, the touch logo of the Microbit, it is adding a number to my variable, and then it's displaying that on the screen. So I've pressed it 15 times there. So let's get going and see if we can code this on our Microbit. So we're going to create a project and call it Simple Counter. And once I'm in here, I'm going to get rid of forever, but I need on start for this project. And I need to create a variable this time. So a variable is a number that we store within our code. So in this case, when you have variables, you have to make them because you name them your own thing. So I'm going to call this variable count because we're counting something. And I have three options here. I've got set count to, I've got change count by, and I've got count. So set count to, and this is when we start, we want to set it to 0. So it's at 0 when you start the Microbit. That's also when you press the reset button on the Microbit or plug-in power, it'll be 0. And when it's 0, I want to show the number 0. So when I start, on start, it's going to show 0. Then on logo touched, let's have on logo touched, logo pressed. If you have a older Microbit, you might not have this option, so you could use on button A. Then I'm going to find in variables change count by, and it's change count by 1. And then I'm going to show number. So each time the logo is pressed, it's going to change the number by 1 and then show the number. So I'm going to show the number, and the number is going to be count. So now if I press the logo, the numbers go up. So load this onto your Microbit and see how you get on. And I hope to see you in another video very soon.